Hi, this is Nikhil from Team Microelectronics, and in this video of mine I will show you the product that was recently sent to me by a company which is from Shenzhen, China. So let me just quickly open the box and show you the product. So basically the product is 3D printer which was sent by a company named Anet 3D. So when you open the box you will get a PLA filament, a extruder welt, some NV key, a set of screws, a SD card module with driver. Next we have the setup manual. So guys, this is the extruder. This helps the printer to melt the filament. I will must say one thing, that the product quality is very good. Guys, next in the list is vertical frame itself. We will set up it with the base later. So let me just quickly take it out from the box. Guys, this company provides different types of 3D printers. You can check out them on their website. So guys, here is the full shot of the vertical frame. Next we have the base of the printer. So guys, this is the heating bed that we will set up later. For now, let me just quickly take it out from the box. So let's remove its protection. On the left side of the printer, it has SD card slot, a power plug and a B-type slot for inputs. So guys, it's a time to set up the printer. So just take these screws and a NV key. Guys, I will recommend you to take someone's help in setting up the printer. So now we will connect the vertical frame with the base of the printer. So tight the screw with the help of NV key and connect the vertical frame with the base of the printer. This printer has 4 screws to tighten up for its better strength. That's good. So guys, now we will connect the extruder with its belt. Now take the extruder and slide it down from this side. Guys, after sliding down the extruder, check that the extruder must move freely. That's it. Now take the one side of the extruder belt and pop it up with the extruder. Guys, if the other side of the belt does not fit, then loose this stepper motor and try to connect it with the second end of the belt. After connecting the belt with the second end of the extruder, you can tighten up this stepper motor. So guys, it's a time for connections. One of the best thing of this product is that the connections are labeled nicely. So you can just follow the labels mentioned on it and connect the wires with the plugs. Guys, after connecting all the wires, must remember to use cable tie. So guys, now we will connect the filament pipe. So after connecting it, you can see that the extruder is moving freely. So guys, the removal of this protection will help the printer to move in Y-axis easily. So we are removing it from the printer. After removing all the protections, here you can see that the bed is now moving freely. So guys, remove this wire and connect it with the stepper motor. It will help the printer to move in Z axis easily. So after setting up the printer, it was something look like this. So now we will connect the filament holder. So follow the video and see how you can connect the filament holder with the frame of the printer. So after tighten all the screws, now we will connect the holder with the frame of the printer. So guys, here you can see that this is how you can set up an Anet ET4 Pro. So now we will connect the filament with the holder, and then we will insert the filament in filament feeder. So here we go. Guys, if you want to purchase this printer, you can check out their website, where you can also find different types of 3D printers. So guys, now it's a time to set up the printer for the first printing. So first we will preheat the printer for the first time. So just set the temperature of the nozzle as 210 and the temperature of heating bed as 60 degrees Celsius. Let's leave the bed and nozzle for heating. So guys, now we will auto level the printer for its first printing. So here we go. So now we will test the printer for its filament detection. So here I have this scissor. Now I will cut the filament and let's see if it works or not. Oh, it worked. And we get a message that please add a filament. So guys, now we'll print the first 3D model with this Anet ET4 Pro. So just select the file and let it be done. So after few seconds it will start working and printing the model. So guys, using this 3D printer, I print the statue of Lord Ganesh. So here we go. The printing speed and the quality of printing was appreciable. So guys, now we will test another feature of this 3D printer, which is electricity cutoff. So here I will turn off the printer and let's see if it works or not. Yes, we got the message. Would you like to continue the print? That's good. Guys, I print lot of cool stuff using this 3D printer. So here you can see that the finishing and the quality of the final product is quite good. Guys, here is the another shot of the module that I print using this 3D printer. Here you can also see the quality and the finishing, so I can say that I love the printer. So guys, thanks for watching the video, hope you loved it.